Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to manage add-ins in the Outlook for Office 365 mailbox. I have logged into the computer, Windows 10 computer, and I have opened Outlook client. If we want to manage the add-ins, like some add-ins is like application that runs in the Outlook. When you add-in, you will see this tools box on the in the toolbar. So let's see how can we do this. If we go to the file menu, we click manage add-ins. That's in the bottom, manage add-ins, and it will go to the Office 365. Then we see what add-in we needed to add. So normally, let's say if we wanted to add a docker sign, just search for the docker sign. And if we want docker sign is the digital signature for the application, but you can add it to your Outlook. So just click add. Click. So if we go back, see my add-ins. My add-ins is added now. Docker sign for Outlook. So I just close this one. Let's see if I go to the Outlook client. Close this one. Don't want this one. Okay. So you see this one, just a sign attachment. When I click, this one is added because I added the DocSign add-in. When I click sign document, the DocSign e-signature is coming up. After I added the login, sometimes this menu will missing, maybe missing from the toolbar. When this happens, it is sometimes it's because we can go there. We can go to manage add-ins. Not this one. Gotcha. So for Windows 2016, you can go to the add-ins and see the go to the common add-in and then go to the center to make sure this add-in is being ticked. Sometimes it's not ticked, then you can't see the menu from you know the toolbar. But if it's ticked, you should be able to see it. And for the Windows Office 365, Outlook 365, you should also there's a button for the manage the disabled add-ins. So this is when Outlook 2016. So if I, for example, if I go to my other computer, I go to the Office. I go to Outlook 365. That's a different version. That's all Microsoft 365. And then I also log in as David Smith. If I click, because I have added add-in from from Office 365, I can see the DocuSign menu is also showing when I log into the other Outlook client. It's just not affecting one client because I added the add-in from the Outlook web access. Then if I log into other computer, with the Outlook client, the DocuSign menu is also showing up. So now if I want to see you see there's something showing up, the more menus, like in Office 365, we can see this, show and disable command ins. This one did not show up in there, because I'm using the Outlook 365. If I click this one, it will show all the disabled, you may want to see if this DocuSign, for example, DocuSign menu is is not showing up on the toolbar. Then when we go there, manage the command ins, you see this one is disabled because of the takes too long to open something. We need to click it, then click and release the add-in and allow it to always show. Then it will show up again in the toolbar. So this option only has option in the Office 365. So if I go there, I go back, set menu, so code. So because this is the Office 365 application, but my other one, in my Windows computer, it's not showing up because this one is, is Windows Office Professional Plus 2016. So it's different version, but in the new, Office 365, they have added this feature, which we can go there, we can click manage. Not this one, just from my computer. So if we go back, for example, if the DocuSign button is missing from the toolbox, we can go File menu, we can go to the Manage command ins. You should see the DocuSign add-in is shows disabled in this window, and then you need to enable it. In the bottom, there's a enable button. You can enable it, and then you should be able to see the button from the toolbar. Yeah, thank you. That's all I show you.